The Lotus Temple, located in Delhi, India, is a stunning architectural marvel known for its flower-like design, inspired by the lotus blossom. The Lotus Temple is located in New Delhi, India, near Nehru Place in the Kalkaji area of South Delhi. The Lotus Temple in New Delhi, built in 1986 by Fariborz Sabah, is a Baha'i house of worship shaped like a lotus flower. The construction of the Lotus Temple took about 10 years, from 1980 to 1986. It was officially opened to the public on December 24, 1986. The Lotus Temple in Delhi, shaped like a lotus flower, is a serene architectural marvel of white marble, welcoming all for reflection and symbolizing unity. The Lotus Temple plan is inspired by the lotus flower, featuring a circular layout with 27 freestanding marble petals arranged in clusters of 3, forming 9 sides. The Lotus Temple's minimalist design uses simple, symmetrical white petals and a serene, open interior to create peace and calm. The Lotus Temple, shaped like a blooming lotus with 27 marble petals, symbolizes peace and unity and rests gracefully on reflecting pools. The Lotus Temple's prayer hall is a spacious, pillar-free, circular hall that accommodates 2,500 people, filled with natural light and designed for silent reflection. The Lotus Temple dome is a white marble lotus-shaped structure made of 27 petals arranged in 9 clusters, symbolizing unity and openness. The Lotus Temple in Delhi was inaugurated in 1986, welcoming all faiths for prayer and reflection. The Lotus Temple in Delhi is globally acclaimed for its lotus-shaped design and message of unity, winning awards like the Globe Art and International Architecture Awards, and is one of the world's most visited buildings. The Lotus Temple in Delhi, shaped like a lotus, is a peaceful place for quiet reflection and meditation, open to all faiths. The Lotus Temple is a famous tourist attraction in New Delhi, known for its lotus-shaped design and peaceful atmosphere. It welcomes visitors of all faiths for meditation and reflection. The Lotus Temple in Delhi, opened in 1986, holds a Guinness record as the tallest lotus-shaped building and is one of the most visited religious sites in the world. The Lotus Temple symbolizes peace and unity, welcoming all for reflection in its serene, lotus-shaped space.